Until I'm done with finding the answer. Won't stop before I